Hi, it's Cindy, the Executive Director of the Osterville Library, and as we move from flip-flops to fireplaces, everything kind of moves inside. The days are shorter, and we're always looking for things to do and to keep active. Just because it's changing of seasons doesn't mean we have to stay inside. The Osterville Library has so many wonderful programs going on. If you're a woman, we have an active women's group that meets here the first Friday of the month at 9:30. They have different things they do, like go to Dunbar tea rooms, they do walks, they do all sorts of different special events. We have lots of different art classes coming up, resin jewelry making, you can do mosaic art. We also have painting wine glasses. We have lots of great programming, online, virtually, in person, that you can check out through our website. There's also groups like Mahjong, Canasta, rug hooking, knitting, bridge, that are on 7 days a week here. So this beautiful area here is always vibrant, great for socialization. Don't stay home, come enjoy the fun. You can come in and do a puzzle. There's all these games and different things you can check out and enjoy. We're always happy to see you. We're open 7 days a week, and we have so much to keep you active. And if there's kids or families or somebody struggling with literacy, we have our literacy book tasting coming up, where you can learn all about the different types of ways that we have to engage in reading and to help children and adults with literacy, whether it's books that read to you, large print, download, tablets, interactive game tables. We have so many things to keep you active and busy and enjoy this fall season. So we hope to see you soon at the Osterville Library.